Today we will discuss about the types of wire. The first wire is vulcanized India rubber wire. Second is cap tire sheathed wire, that is also called TRS wire. Third one is polyvinyl chloride wire, PVC wires, and the fourth one is flexible wire. These are also used in domestic wiring. The first wire is vulcanized India rubber wire. This is what basically it is having a conductor, that is VIR wire. It is insulated with rubber and then it is having a covering of cotton. Cotton is basically used to extract the moisture from the wire, and finally this complete wire is finished with wax. These are available in single core only and nowadays they are rarely used. Second one is what? Cap tire sheathed wires. It is also having a conductor and then it is having a insulation of rubber. But the difference between the vulcanized India rubber and the cap tire sheathed is what? It is having an additional toughened rubber covering, due to which it is resistant to wear and tear. It is chemically inert and it is also resistant to moisture. These are available in single core, 2 core and 3 core. Next one is what? Polyvinyl chloride wires. It is what? It is having, this wire is having an insulation of PVC. It is chemically inert. It is resistant to wear and tear. And thirdly, it is resistant to corrosion also. Since it is having a covering of PVC, so no additional covering is required in this wire. The main disadvantage of this wire is that it is not used for the high temperature. That is what, we cannot use this wire where the temperature is very high because it softens at very high temperature. Next is what? Flexible wires. These are having the two-stranded conductors which are twisted. That's why it is also known as twisted twin flexible wires. These are mainly used for the domestic wiring and due to its nature, its handling is very much easy.